They use our names, our IDs to get money. They told us that I'm got a 51% here, but nothing happened. Really is bad.
As a black South African, we are feeling here that our people are being defrauded. Maybe this is what radical economic transformation means. Maybe. He's coming with me, this honorable member. He's coming with me. Ndate tells me they were given that tractor. Nothing has happened about it. South Africans are being milked here, not the cows. What is worse is they are selling our money to Dubai under the Guptas.